Yesterday we received an iMac to replace the old hard drive with a new modern SSD. We will now measure the operating system's boot time with the old drive, and then repeat the measurements after the replacement.
Oh yeah.
That's enough. We cut the adhesive with a special pizza cutter and just like that slowly open your iMac. Okay. So, here is our iMac inside. There is a hard disk and we need to install an SSD disk outside. I don't understand why they still put these old ancient hard drives in iMacs. Now our SSD is inside. Now we just need to clean the case from the old adhesive and apply the new one. And it won't be just any regular double-sided tape, but the original adhesive for iMac. Oh! As you can. This is Kalosha gasoline. It is the one that dissolves the glue residue from the adhesive well. Not alcohol, not from society. Alright, yeah, okay. So, the Mac turned on, but it doesn't understand anything because the disk is new. Now we will restore it from recovery mode. Alright, the system recognized the disk. We renamed it before erasing.
As you can.
After we check the iMac for functionality, we just need to assemble everything with these original adhesive strips. These are sticky foam tapes. They are made intentionally thick, about 1 millimeter thick, to allow a little play in the connection. Because if it's thin tape where there are slight bends, the matrix will simply come unstuck at that point. And as a result, when you are sitting in your office and working on your
iMac, your screw-getters may simply fall down. There is no adhesive. It is already applied. In updated iMac models, the microphone is now located here at the bottom, and it can be covered unknowingly. Therefore, we cut the adhesive and continue after the microphone.
I put the matrix back on, but I haven't removed the protective films from the adhesives yet, to center it first so that the glass and the body are flush here and here. Now I've taped it here. The front camera, we see a speck of dust there. We remove it. That's it. We removed the lower part. It has become sticky. That's it. And centered it. We have no misalignment. No misalignment. First day on Wall Street. Yes. And now all that's left is to connect the cables and seal the entire iMac.
iMac.